Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is going to be my fourth vlog, and I would want to show you what are the different things that I actually purchased from Quest Spencer's. Lately, this afternoon, I went out with my dad to this Spencer's outlet, which is at Quest, and there were many things with which I got attracted. Now, let me show you. I thought of showing you the entire lot, but all those items that might attract you, that might please you, and at the same time that might tempt you, I thought of showing all those things to you. So, yeah, before that, do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's get started. So I will be actually showing you this lot first. This is like a smaller lot, so I'll show you this first. Okay, so I got these Doritos nachos packets. This one, I actually last day I was actually returning from my Zumba class, and I had puchkas. After that, I felt like eating nachos, so I tasted this thing. I tasted this flavor, that is the sweet and chili flavor. It was around 10 rupees a packet, and the quantity was so less that I really wanted more of it. So this time when I went out with my dad, I actually told him that we are going to buy Doritos, the purple color packet one. So this is what I got, one for myself. And when you go out with dads, obviously, they're going to make you purchase more of it. So he got me this flavor as well. I think this one's like the chili one. Yeah, the chili flavor. And let me just tell you what is the price of it. It's about 100 grams, and this packet basically costed me around 50 rupees. So this one's for 50, this one's for 50 again. Okay, what else do I have? So in this small packet I had these and these as well. So I had like around 3 bottles of drinks. Now, why such drinks? Because every day these days after having dinner, my mom and I, we actually crave for soft drinks or maybe some kind of a drink. So we asked my dad that today though we have to get these drinks. So this one's around 40 rupees. This one's around 70. Maaza is around 70. Sprite is for 40. And pulpy orange, where is it written? This one's again around 70, I guess. Yeah, this one. This one's really tasty, by the way. Huh? Okay, now this is another product out from my bag, which is the probiotic dahi. Okay, now this probiotic dahi, basically I don't consume it, my mom also doesn't consume it, we consume like the normal dahi. This particular product is for my dad. Why? Because he likes the probiotic dahi, he doesn't consume the normal dahi. He is diabetic, so this is why he wants a probiotic dahi and not a normal dahi. But basically I really don't know what's the difference between the two. But according to the doctors and according to the specialists, they actually say if you are a diabetic, then you should be like consuming probiotic dahi. This is more healthy. Okay, now this costed us around 50 again. Okay, now in this small packet I also had this packet of Lay's. It's a 10 rupees packet. That's the normal thing which we all know. Okay, then there's some like grocery items. I don't think you might be interested at seeing. So let's just remove that bag now. Now comes the bigger one. Okay, now let's see. Some more Doritos. One more Dorito packet. Now this one's again for 50, and this is the cheese flavor nachos. I will give a review for all these flavors as of now I have tasted this one, and this is really very tasty. It has a sweet and as well as a chili flavor, so if you all are not wanting to consume something which is like very spicy, you can go ahead with this flavor. Okay, and I guess this one can also be like eaten by those who do not want such a spicy flavored chips, but still I will give you all a review on these flavors. Okay, now again we've got the cheese flavors nachos. So Doritos, basically I invested around 1 2 3 4 5, yeah, 1 2 3 4 5, yeah, they around 250 rupees on Doritos. It's gone. Okay, again some more drinks. This is again around 40 rupees, Limca. And then one more Thumbs Up, again around 40 rupees. So 1 2 3 4 5, so I have got 5 drinks, 5 nachos and 1 Lay's. Okay, oh, there's another Lay's packet. This is also around 10 rupees. Now what else do I have? Some Maggie packets. Now this is Nibbles. Now this is from the Duke's company, and this is basically, I guess these are masala little bites. Now these are basically in the shape of cashews, but they are not cashew nuts, they are biscuits. So they are masala biscuits. This is around 55 rupees. 150 grams for 55 rupees. Okay, then hide and seek biscuits. Now all these are basically bought for me because I love munching all these things all the day round. I just hope my Zumba instructor doesn't scold me after watching this video. Okay, so this one's like around, let me check. This is 20 grams, must be around 30-40 rupees. Yeah, 30 rupees. This one's for strawberry flavor hide and seek biscuit. Again, I have 2 Monaco biscuits. These are like the plain ones. So this can be eaten, munched any time of the day you want to. 10 rupees each. Then I have more Maggie packets, and this is my favorite, that is mayonnaise. Veg mayonnaise. I use it for salads, I use it for burgers, I use it for sandwiches. I even sometimes take it out from the fridge, apply a good layer of mayonnaise on the bread and just eat it when I do not feel like eating anything. I would suggest all the vegetarians to have this particular company's mayonnaise, because number one, it's pure veg. Number two, the taste of this mayonnaise with olive oil, like, yeah, this is like the olive oil flavor. You can even opt for the plain veg mayonnaise, and veg mayonnaise of Dr. Oetker is like something that I have been eating since my childhood days. So I would actually suggest all of you to eat Dr. Oetker's mayonnaise. Why? Because I have tasted Vibha's as well, but Vibha's is a less flavored as compared to that of this. The flavor in Dr. Oetker is much more better as compared to that of the Vibha's mayonnaise that I have tasted. The veg mayonnaise I'm talking about. This is like the olive oil flavor. This is also very tasty. Obviously, the color of this is a little darker as compared to that of the normal veg mayonnaise that I have it at home. So yeah, I would suggest all of you to eat this. And yes, you can actually use this as one of your spreads in salads, in burgers. Even if you're not having anything fancy, you can eat it with these nachos. Maybe even plain chips would work. Nothing else. If you do not have all of this at home, just ask your mothers, cut potatoes, fry it deep and give it to you, and eat it with this. You'll actually love it. My dad forgot that there are family packs of Maggie kept at home, and he still got so many of them. Comment down below if you are also a crazy Maggie fan just like me, and you can actually eat Maggie at any point of the day. These are a few of my favorites where junkies are concerned. Junkies as in junk food are concerned. Let me know in the comment section if I match any of your taste buds or I match any of your choices? Comment down in the comment section. So now I'll end my video here. Do let me know in the comment section whether you liked my video or not. If yes, then I will be showing you more such videos where I will be showing that, you know, what are the different items that I basically like purchasing and what are my different tastes and taste and preferences, because I am a big time foodie. So I keep on experimenting and I keep on buying different stuffs. Okay, and in Spencer's, for some safety measures or maybe due to some other protocol reasons, Quest Spencers did not allow me to shoot a video there because maybe, you know, it's the puja time going on and there was a lot of rush and we do need to maintain social distances and at the same time the other COVID safety measures. So I guess this is the reason why they must have not allowed me to shoot. So I thought of like returning back home and then showing you what are the different stuffs that we actually purchased. I've shown you a part of the junkies and the junk food items that I like buying, and I keep on experimenting with my flavors. So yeah, this is how I'm going to end my fourth vlog. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you back again.